Lately I've been drifting through the daylight, thinking about the ways I've let it win. Feels like all the little things I hold tight slip right through my fingers once again. There's a light that I keep chasing, but it fades when I get near. And I swear the truth gets heavier the more I try to steer. Maybe I'm a slow learner, maybe it's just the way I'm made. But every time I think I've got control, the ground begins to fade. So pull me back to you when the world's too much to carry, when the weight turns all my colors into something temporary. Yeah, I'm trying to stay true, but I lose the fight I choose. So when I'm slipping out of you, pull me back to you. I've been keeping quiet with my heartbeat, hoping that the noise would settle down. Truth is I've been losing to the same things that lift me up and drive me to the ground. And I know I'm not defenseless, but I ain't bulletproof tonight. Sometimes even all the good I'm holding doesn't help me get it right. Maybe I'm a slow healer, or maybe I've been gone too long, but I feel the pieces shifting, trying hard to stay strong. So pull me back to you when the world's too much to carry, when the weight turns all my colors into something temporary. Yeah, I'm trying to stay true, but I lose the fight I choose. So when I'm slipping out of you, pull me back to you. I don't need saving, just a place to keep my balance, a voice that cuts through the noise and shows me what still matters. Pull me back to you when the dark starts overtaking, when the doubts inside my head get louder than the truth I'm making. Yeah, I'm trying not to bruise, but I lose